Hi everyone. As you must be knowing, Huggingface has recently launched a free AI agent course for beginners, and not just that, the course is completely free and you get a free certification as well. So I have got my certificate just now, as you can see, dated for 11th of Feb 2025. You will get two certificates. One is to complete the first module, and the other when you complete the entire module once they are released. As you can see here, let's get started with the course. Let's try to understand its course structure. The first module is live now and you can also register. I have shared the link in the comment section below. As you can see, this is the landing page. Welcome to AI Agents course. As you can see, this is the first unit that they have released, Introduction to Agents, which is quite good. I just went through it, and as you can read here, in this course you will be studying about the theory, design and practice. Learn to use AI agent libraries such as small agents, LangChain, and Llama Index. Now, one thing to note here is that small agents is very specific to Hugging Face because they are the ones who devise it out. The other major frameworks like LangGraph, CrewUI, that I guess are not covered in this particular course. So there is a demerit there, but I think still small agent itself is a pretty good library that you can work around. Share your agents on Hugging Face Hub and participate in challenges and earn a certificate of completion, as I showed you before for myself, for free. What does the course look like? Foundational units are there, hands-on exercises, use case assignments, the challenge. So the first particular introductory unit that the team has released, you need to complete a quiz and eventually you will get the certificate for yourself. So here are the chapters: onboarding, agent fundamentals, frameworks, use case, final assignment. So let's get started. The multiple things that the team has mentioned, what are the things you would require for this particular course? So one important thing is that you need to register on Hugging Face account. This is free to do, so no worries around it. You just need to log in, and this is the certification process that the team has mentioned here. It's quite easy. I'll be running through that as well. So let's jump on to the first unit of the course, that is Introduction to Agents. As you can see here, the first unit is Introduction to Agents, understanding agents, what is an agent, how does it work, role of LLMs in agents. So I think most of the time people consider agents as LLM. It's not the case. Agent can be taken as an extension of an LLM. Tools and action, very important, and agent workflows. So here you can see that you can just jump onto the course details. They have explained everything in quite detail. I really like the course because it's, as it is for beginners, they use quite good infographics, some examples also, as you can see here. And then there are certain practice quiz also. What is an agent? Which of the following best describes an AI agent? You need to submit this. What is role of planning in an agent? So they have made the course quite interactive, and it's not at all boring. I went through it and it was very very exciting, and it's quite updated with the state of the art things as well. So it's not very shallow also. It will be explaining everything about the tools, how does reasoning happen, how does react approaches used in agents, how are tools getting used in agents, and a lot of things. And once you are done through the entire first unit, you just need to go through this first quiz. You can get started here, and eventually you can get your certificate at the last section. As you can see here, I've already got my certificate. You just need to click here, get my certificate with the custom name, and you get it. So I think overall the course looks quite engaging. The first unit is quite decent, and they have covered all the fundamentals. To be very honest, it's a one-time opportunity. It's a wonderful opportunity because it's free to go, and you get the certificate as well. So I hope you all opt for the course, you explore it, and this is not a paid promotion, so no worries about it. 2025 would be the era of AI agents, as you must be hearing that. So understanding about AI agents is very very crucial now. So I hope you try out this course and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you.